hello, welcome to my channel. So in this channel, in this video, I'll show you how to send commands from IoT AWS IoT console and then execute it on IoT device. So there are publisher subscriber concept and using MQTT. So first, what I have done is I have you have to clone this code, that is AWS IoT device SDK JS. So I have just forked it and I am making some changes, so I'll give you all the link. Okay, this is the code. Okay, GitHub. So this link also I am providing first, and then here in examples you have to pin device example.js, and what it is doing, it is subscribing and publishing to a particular topic. So what I have done, from line number, my changes are line number 135, 136, 137, 138, 139. So what I am doing, I am just writing this payload to a string to one file called commands.json. And what I will do, I'll run a cron job. I'm running a cron tab. So this Python program is looking for this file commands.json every minute, and it extracting the command and executing in sub process using sub process check output. Okay, so whenever I want to get any sensor data or any status of my home, I will try to run a command. So what is that command? So I have configured several command in my IoT device. So one of the command is send home status. So send home status. So I have copied this to user bin send home status. This is nothing but the source code also I will provide. So this has send mail. This will take the screenshot using USB cam. Also it has functionality of PyCam. So I am providing all the code link. So this is the code, and this I have copied to user bin send home status. So what I will do, my intention is to go to console and send a command send home status. So whatever command I have configured, I will give it here, and the Python program will parse this JSON string, extract the command and execute and send back the status. So now my intention is to get the screenshot of my room using this command. So I will try to send the command. First I have to run this program, that is so I'll also provide the exact command to you. So here it's already running, but I'll show. So this part you have to neglect for now. I have added my own custom thing here. So from here to here also I'll explain what are the different arguments. This is private key which you are getting from AWS IoT console, certificate and reconnect period, and then the IoT thing name. So I have configured IoT thing. Okay, so this you have to neglect. I have made some custom changes to send a command to my IoT device, but this is not required in this video. That is another video I'll make. In this video only you have to run this and okay, home data. So now we have to send the command from here, that is send home status. So you can see this command has come, and also it is writing into this file. And what Python program will do, this Python program will pass this file and it will run. So if you see, AWS log. Okay, okay, there is some issue. So let me check my send home status has been executed or not. So send home status, send home status should be executed. So I should get a mail. See, time. So I'll change the camera orientation and I'll see you another. I'll show you another image. So I have changed the camera orientation for now, and it should. Let's empty this file. So there is nothing. So again I will send home status. So this is running. So finally you should get. So see, I have changed the camera orientation, so I am getting another image. So this will execute per minute. So you can configure according to your need. My need is like every minute it should execute. So I will configure all my command in this, whatever commands I want to send from it. So this is highly customizable, and then I'll get the status whatever is happening in my home. Okay, so I'll just empty this file, otherwise it will execute and send a lot of images. So I'm going to customize it anyways, so you can customize it according to your needs. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. I'll also put all the links whatever and file I have used, whatever changes I have made. So please subscribe my channel for these kind of interesting videos. Thanks a lot.